Ito sir, oh, sa kamay ko. Ano makikita?
We're here in Mayagao Church. This is a UNESCO heritage. Ang ganda guys, grabe. One of the oldest church daw sa Iloilo.
Ang ceiling ko, it's the original stone. It's made of limestone, egg white.
So ito ay St. Thomas of Villanova Church and it's commonly known as the Mayagao Church. Na-build siya noong 1972. Amazing. Kaya siya famous kasi makikita nyo yung facade ng church niya is naka-carve.
Ito sir, oh, sa kamay ko. Layo mo konti. Ano makikita?
Oh my God.
Ay!
Oh my God!
This is the image of Jesus